Hi guys, hope you're doing well. I'm well and hope the same for each one of you. So today I'm coming on to you with a quick I've read all the three monster series from Rina Ken. So Blood of My Monster, Lies of My Monster and Heart of the Monster. So these are the three books that I read. I just finished Fourth Wing and then I needed to read something that it would be fast to read and would not put me in a reading slump because it was so good, the Fourth Wing, and I was waiting for the Iron Storm. The video non-spoiler review of my reading experience of Fourth Wing is in my channel, so if you're interested to watch, you can watch that. However, the Rina Kent, her universe, I have mostly finished all of those God of Pain, God of Malice and their parents books, but there are some books I still have to finish. Some of them are these stories. So Blood of Monster is a story between two people. It's a mystery thriller, spice and good character development. So this is a story between Krill and Sasha, and they both meet in the military. Sasha is supposed to be pretending to be a boy. So in the first book they meet. The first book I ate it up. I gave it a 5-star and it was so good. I finished 80% in one night. It was that good, hard to put it down. The second book was a 4.5 and the third book was a 4.5. I'm not sure if it needed to be 3 books because the spice was too much for me. Rina Kent, I love her books. I really enjoy reading it, but the spice I can't take a lot. I just need a little and then go. I love the banter, the friends to enemy, or all those tropes I enjoy more, the angst, all those things I enjoy more reading in a book than only the spice, you understand. And Rina, again, these 3 books had a lot of it. So if the spice would have reduced, the book would have been made into 2, would have been good enough. But since it was not, it kept you guessing till the end. Every end was like a cliffhanger. You were thinking what's going to happen. So that kept me going to read all the 3 books. Many of the pages in the third book I just went through to finish it off fast because I want to start reading Iron Flame, which is ready for me to read. But for me, I enjoyed this story. So just this is spoiler free again. Sasha and Killian, they meet in the military. Then she is pretending to be a boy. In the first book we try finding out what happened that she become like this, and then they meet. There's a little spark, not too much, and he does come to know that she's a girl. And then in the second book, now she goes and becomes his bodyguard in New York, and they fall in love and she falls in love, and so many things happen. You will not believe at the end what happened. It kept you moving on to the third book. The third book, I had to, in the beginning I had to just, it was too much of something had happened between these two and their point of view was too much, it was very boring in the beginning, so I just had to flip through. But then came when they met and then started the enemies. Like, she really, I knew why she all hated him that much, I could feel her in the third book. But at the end we got to know like who's the whole culprit behind this whole thing. In the third book I was able to make up, I kind of made up who is the main culprit, but I was just guessing. It was hard to guess till the end. I had 2-3 suspects. It's like a mystery as well, so that part was also fun. Highly recommend this book. I met some amazing people also, like Adrian Volkov. We know who he is, but I never have read his books. So I know the parents. I know whose son he is, like who his son is, but I don't know. I didn't read his book. So he has 3 books. That series 1 I need to finish, and then is Mia also, I need to read her books as well. So these 2 characters also I met in the Mafia. There was a person called Damien. I'm not sure if he has a book also, but yeah, Renaverse is all connected with somebody or something. So it was fun read. I highly recommend. Never say no to a Rina Kent book if you like such little dark romances, little psychotic or what do you call enemies to lovers stories. But these are not kids like the series of God of Pain and all. That part I really enjoyed. They're adults. That is something more chewable for me. Yeah, but I enjoyed thoroughly. It was a good palate cleanser for me in a way. Now I'm going back to my Navara and the fantasy of Iron, what do you call, I call it Iron Storm, Iron Flame, and stay tuned. I'll be putting a review for that. Now this, whatever is remaining of the month, I'll be focusing on finishing Iron Flame, and then I'll do what books I've read. I'm going to start posting that as well, the books I've read for the month and what I rated and what I'm planning to read. And I'll have another Kindle haul this month end, and because our anniversary is coming, I might buy some books, but not sure. I've posted recently, I did a book haul from Dubai Mall. I did order some fantasy series. If you like those, you can check. I have Twilight. I've been planning to buy this Once Upon a Heart and the Twilight series as well, so might have a haul of those two book series as well. But the next what I'll be reading is the Iron Flame, so you can watch that. Thank you so much for taking time to watch my video. If you enjoy such content, many of you just watch and do not subscribe. Please subscribe to my videos, I request you. I'm a full-time mom with a 6-year-old daughter. This helps to grow my channel, helps me get some income, so at least I can use it to buy my own books. And more than that, it gives people with like-minded who enjoy reading these books see my channel, and they like it as well. I like it as well. I like to go. If you have your channel, do leave in the comments. You can follow me in my life with Baby S. I do not post a lot of reviews in my in my Instagram, because it's a my life with Baby S, but I do post here, and I'm thinking of putting some more in my TikTok as well, some reviews in my TikTok as well. And that's it. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. Take care, stay blessed.